welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to be showing you everything I made this past week, so from last Sunday to this Sunday. And I know I haven't been making these videos for the past 2 weeks, but I'm going to continue making them. And the reason that I didn't make them was because I wanted to upload my everything I made in 2021 video, and I thought it would be too much. Plus I made like only 2 to 3 items per week in those last 2 weeks. My hair is not cooperating, so those are the reasons that I didn't film these videos. But today I am going to film one of these and show it to you guys so you can watch it and have fun with me. So the first thing that I made in this week was this smiley bucket hat. It is going to be shipped off to Australia. Actually, everything that I'm going to be showing you today, everything that I made this week, is for one single order that is going to be shipped to Australia, and it is from a woman who wanted to order all of these hats for her boyfriend's birthday. The second item that I made this week was a black fluffy bucket hat for the same customer. She wanted to order it in black, and it turned out to be so beautiful. The third thing that I made this week was this cute bucket hat. It is black and it is with cherries, and it was made with a size 1 yarn, so it did take more time than the others, but I'm used to crocheting with size 1 yarn, so it doesn't matter. Look at the details. These scallops, they're so beautiful. I love this hat so much. I had made it in beige before, and that was the original design, but the customer wanted it in black, and it turned out to be so beautiful. Actually, I have thought of making this hat in even more colors now that I saw how it looks in black, because I had only made it in beige and didn't see any other alternatives. But now that I saw black, I'm like, I should make it in some other colors, because like cherries look good in everything. So I have a few colors in mind, and I am going to make all of them and then make a drop or something, and then you guys can order them. So the fourth and last thing that I made this week, it's actually a whip. And the reason that I decided to show you a whip is because I think it's okay that when I film and when every YouTuber, crochet YouTuber, films these kinds of videos, it's okay to show finished projects and whips, because that is kind of more fun. Plus, I am dying for natural lighting. I am dying to find some time in the day to catch natural lighting, because I don't like filming in artificial lighting. Basically, I do have my ring light and everything, but it just doesn't, look as good as natural lighting. I don't think any lighting looks good like natural lighting does, and I actually can't wait for summer when we have natural lighting until like 8 p.m. That is going to be great. Anyway, that was so out of the topic. This is the fourth thing that I made, or I'm making. It's a balaclava. It only shows the eyes, as you can see. I'm trying to put my hand in there so you can see, and the mouth. It looks so cool. Plus, something even cooler, it will have these kinds of horns, like right here, on both sides. Wait, let me get the other one. It will look like this. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. And I really want to show you something else for this particular order, because I don't usually make amigurumi or stuff that you can stuff, but when I make them, I don't use stuffing, that cotton stuff that everyone uses. I don't buy it, because if you don't know, I always say that my business is zero waste, and I mean that, because I don't buy that, oh my god, I don't know what it's called for the moment. I can't remember its name, that thing that they stuff amigurumi with, but I use, and I'm going to show you how much I have of it, ends. I know this is a plastic bag, but still. Look at how much ends I have here. This is crazy. Like, I have one more bag like this. I literally have one more plastic bag full of ends that I have cut off from my projects. And especially when I make very colorful projects, I have a lot of ends. This is crazy. Do you know how many projects you can stuff with this? For myself, it is unacceptable to throw out ends. Cause like I cut so much yarn, I cannot throw all of that away. Imagine this being in the trash can when I can use this to stuff everything that I need. Plus it looks even better as stuffing. You see this? I just filled it, just stuffed it with some of those ends, and it looks amazing. Why do I have to buy extra stuff for stuffing when I can use my ends as stuffing? And I think every small business should do this. Every crochet business should do this because it is better for the environment, and I really like caring for the environment because at the end of the day it's our home and we should care about it. I just wanted to show you that because there might be some crocheter who doesn't know about this hack. So if you even don't have money to buy, is it called polyester? I don't know what's it called, but that stuff that you use for stuffing, even if you don't have money for that, please use this method. Use your ends. I know in the beginning you won't have a lot of ends, but as you crochet this, I think I filled it in like a few months. This is a few months of work. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and it is a really cool thing to do because like as crocheters, I'm not the only one that has this much yarn from ends. I know a lot of crocheters do, and actually they're like long, but they're not as long as to use for projects that you use scrap yarn for. So I can't crochet anything with this, so what's left to do is to keep it in this bag so I can use it for projects, and I really couldn't wait to have a project that I could use it for, and now I can because I have to make this balaclava with horns that is going to look so cool, and I can use my ends as stuffing. Whew, that was a lot of talking. I will remove this from my lap. Here's an end. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, give our channel a subscribe, and give us a follow on our Instagram pages and TikTok. I almost forgot TikTok. Please follow my TikTok. Bye!